Hi, I'm Kelly Kay, talking about iCarpetTiles.com again, back with Stephanie. We're at the home of Ann Stewart. Now, I'm guessing she used carpet tiles. What's unique about her home?
Well, she used our new TacTile method for installation. Let me show you how it works. Now, these are TacTiles. They come on a roll, and as you can see, we have the tiles turned over, and one square will intersect at the four corners of four tiles.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. So what it does is it creates a floating floor. So when you turn it over, the only adhesive is on the tile, not on the floor.
There's got to be a lot of benefits to using this tactic.
There is. You can use it, wall-to-wall installation like we have here, or if you want it to create an area rug. And one of the good points about that is a lot of people want to use these on hardwood floors and they do not want to damage the floor with the adhesive.
Right.
So this is the answer for that.
Where can you get TacTiles?
You can purchase them at our showroom, which is located off of Gilmore Lane at 3320 Gilmore Industrial Boulevard, or you can also purchase them online at iCarpetTiles.com.
I was looking for something that was affordable. They had a lot of fun patterns, and I needed something very durable. We have 2 teenagers, 2 dogs, and a cat. And my kids love to have friends down here. They spend the night here. Things get spilled. So there's a lot of cleaning up, and I loved the idea that you could just pull up a towel, go outside, wash it with warm water, sit it in the sun, and put it back. I would definitely recommend iCarpet Tiles. They've got a great selection, and they're very easy to work with and helpful. It was a great experience.
You can even make a super cool floating area rug with TacTiles. Call or stop by the showroom to check out all the awesome options at iCarpet Tiles.
Or visit us on our website at iCarpetTiles.com.
For Stephanie and Ann, I'm Kelly Kay. Thanks for watching.